Let's test TickCheck for COVID-19 in Korea subway. OMG, I dropped it. It's negative, but I will do it again.